In this video, I'll show you how to place a market order on Binance. A market order is used when you want to buy or sell a cryptocurrency right away at the best available market price. Instead of setting your own price, you're telling Binance to execute the trade immediately using the current orders available in the market. To get started, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Trade section and select Spot. This will open the spot trading interface, where you can place buy and sell orders. Next, choose the trading pair you want to trade. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin using USDT, search for and select BTC to USDT. Once the pair is open, look for the order entry section. On desktop, this is usually on the right side of the screen. In the order panel, you'll see different order types such as limit and market. Tap or click market to switch to a market order. Now decide whether you want to buy or sell. If you want to buy the coin in the selected pair, use the buy section. If you want to sell a coin you already own, use the sell section. After that, enter the amount for your order. Depending on the pair, Binance may let you enter the amount of crypto you want to buy or sell, or the amount of the currency you want to spend, such as USDT. Once you've entered the amount, double-check that you selected the correct trading pair and that the market tab is active. Then click Buy or Sell to place the order. Because this is a market order, Binance will try to fill it immediately at the best available prices in the market. In most cases, the trade will go through almost instantly. After the order is filled, you can check your wallet or spot balance to see the updated amount of crypto in your account. You can also open your order history or trade history to review the transaction details. One thing to keep in mind is that market orders are built for speed, not price control. If the price is moving quickly, the final execution price may be a little different from the price you saw before placing the order. And that's how to place a market order on Binance.